Good morning, all of you. I am Navneet from Bednavanna. I am the student of Asia Maritime Academy. In this program, leading is a part of our ongoing education. I am going to present the topic of Suez Canal blockage by Ever Given to cost more than $1 billion US, say canal authorities. The cost of losses and damages resulting from the Ever Given's blockage of the Suez Canal is likely to top $1 billion US. The authority which manages the waterway has said. The amount of damage and losses and how much the dredges consume will be calculated, and the estimates will reach $1 billion and a little bit more, said the Suez Canal Authority's chairman Osama Rabi, according to Reuters. The Ever Given was reported on Monday after almost a week stuck in the Suez Canal, blocking shipping traffic through the vital globe trade route. An investigation into how the massive container ship grounded began on Tuesday. After the ship was freed, the Rabi was the disruption cost Egypt between 12 million US and 50 million US a day. An investigation would determine who was responsible for paying it. The traffic resumed in both directions of the passageway about 3 hours after the Ever Given was refloated, and the authorities are planning to double the number of vessels passing through the canal to clear a backlog of more than 400 ships. But experts have warned that the disruptions of global trade could last for months. The Suez Canal is one of the busiest trade routes in the world. About 12% global trade passes through it. According to shipping data and news company Lloyd's List, the Ever Given blockage was holding up an estimated 400 million US and hovering trade, or 9.6 billion US of goods each day. And the professor of political science at the Northeastern University, Stephen Flynn, told this scale of disruption would have cascading effects, knock-on disruption including congestion of ports at vessels being delayed for their next scheduled journey. It got to be at least 60 days before things get sorted out and appear to be bit back at normal. Then the insurers will pick up much of the tab for the losses of the Ever Given's cargo holders, then are likely to spend years in courts to climb back as much as they can from ship owners and carriers. For the ships which had to take a detour around the Cape of Good Hope, the likelihood of recovering any losses is low. It may also be difficult to recovering the money for businesses whose goods were delayed. That's all my topic. I hope you are enjoying this session, and the floor is open for questions. Thank you.